animation to the rest of the elements. I will continue adding the animation to the rest of the section, like about us, testimonial, features, and the screens and the other parts of this page. So let us start adding animation to the other parts. Okay, let us start adding an animation to the about us section. I have already made a list of animations, so to make it easy to add these things, like the about iPhone needs fade in left and with data view duration of 1 second and data view delay of 0.5 second. These are the attributes for the elements, like you can see on this page for the view.js file. Data-view.duration, change the animation durations, and data.view-delay before the animation starts. So these are the additional attributes which helps with the animation. So let us start adding some animation to the about us section. So I have already figured it out and I have already made the list of these animations. So I will just look in these files and then we add this to the Loso project. So we need view.fade in left and with these addition attributes for the about-iPhone class. So here we have, this is I think the image about-iPhone. Yes, this is the image. So we need to add some animation to this image. So let us add it. I'll paste it here. It looks like there is some, okay, fine, mistake. Let me figure it out first. We need to add the classes inside the class list, like these will go inside the classes, and the additional attribute will go outside the classes, like we add attributes. Okay, let us see the result of these classes in the browser. Do you see? Let me refresh it again so you can see it again. So it is fade in left, I think, fade in left, and with some data duration and delay of 0.5 second and data duration of 1 second. So I will continue adding the more animations, like fade in right and with some attributes. It is for the whole section, for whole this 6 column. Yes, for the left side. Okay, for the right side, not left side, for the right side. I will add this to here. Okay, I need to fix it. Okay, classes are inside the classes list and the additional attributes are outside the list. I'll save it. Okay, do you see? Let us add animation to these list too. And it requires view fade up with data duration of this. Okay, I will add it to the first item. And the same way it will go with the second item, and the same way it will go to the third item. Let us see the result. You see, these are the effect of animate.css and view.js file. Let me refresh it and show it to you again. Refresh and on scroll with the help of view.js. Okay, fine. Moving forward, let us add animation to the testimonial.cs file. I will take help from this list. I will delete this Okay, we need Woo bounce in down class. This is the testimonial section. I'll add it exactly here, and I'll save it. You see, bounce in down. So okay, we have applied anime.css to the testimonial section. Moving forward to the feature section, I will delete this from the list. Okay, let me add CSS to the title of the feature section. This is the feature section and this is the title section, and yes, this is exactly you want to add it here. And no, not here, sorry, we need to add it here. Okay, now it is fine. And the feature section also needs some more animations, which is on the left side. On the left column we need the fade in left animation, and on the left on column 4 here we need it. Yes, exactly. And on the middle feature section we also need to add these classes to the images, and here we will add CSS to the anime.css to the middle image of the feature section. And on the right side we also have a list of the features, and I will copy this, and it is fade in right, data duration of 1 second. Let us see the result of feature section in the browser. You see, let me refresh it again. And do you see the feature section? Okay, I will move forward and I will add some animation to the purchase now section now. I will delete this one, and in the purchase now section there is a button. No, we need to add animation to the whole row. So I will copy this and I will move to the purchase now section. This is the purchase now section and this is the row, and the whole row needs animation. You see? Okay, moving forward to the screen section. We need to add some animation to the screen sliders. This is the screen slider section. So here we need to add these classes. Let us see the result. Do you see? So animation is working perfectly. Okay, let us add some animation to the counters. I will delete this, you don't need it. Okay, it needs to be bounced in left, and it will be applied to the container of the row, container of the counter. So this is a counter section and this is the container, and let us see the result. You see, now let us add anime.css to this whole image. So I don't need this now. To the download now section, and it will be fade in up with data view duration of 1 second, and it will be applied to the 8 column with 2 offset. This is the download now section, and here we will add the classes. So it is fade in up. So do you see the anime.css effect? Okay, let us add an animation to the available on section, and I need to copy this, and it should be bounce in right. So this is available on section, and I need to add it to the container section, container div, exactly here. Yes, exactly here. Now do you see? We refresh it, and now you will see all of this animation. Okay, let's add animation to the contact us form. So it should be the main container for the contact us should bounce in. It is just bounce in. I will move to the contact us section, and it will go inside the container, and there is also some more to add, like contact dash us dash form should bounce in. It should also bounce in. Contact dash us dash form, it should also bounce in, and the social icons should bounce in left. So it should bounce in left, social icons. Not here, the whole column. Okay, let us see the result of these animation classes to the contact us form. Okay, do you see? Social icons are bounce in left, and the other are bounce in, simple bounce in. I will refresh it. You see? So now I'm done with adding animation to all of the sections, and you can see how the animation is working very beautifully. And if you scroll down, you can see all of the animation with bounce in, with fade in left and right. Do you see? Perfect. Well, we have added animation to the multiple elements of the sections, and I think we are done with adding the jQuery effects. I will see you in the next section. Thanks.